The iPhone 15 is coming in a few days and we now have our first hands-on look at the final plastic mock-up showcasing the near final design. So starting things with the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, there's USB-C to the bottom and the frame edges are sorta curved and not sharp. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus as per these models are coming in white, black, light pink, light blue and yellow color finish. So both these are awesome device, A16 Bionic, Dynamic Island and Type-C port. Some news coming in, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will start from $799 and $899. This is the iPhone 15 Ultra mock-up in sort of faded greenish blue color finish. It's gonna have solid and tough titanium frame with slight curved edge. Here again there's USB-C port to the bottom and an action button which you can customize to do 9 different tasks. So there's accessibility, shortcuts like sending a message or controlling a song, the iconic silent mode, camera, flashlight, focus, magnifier, translate and voice memo. The fun part is we have a 6x zoom periscope camera in the iPhone 15 Ultra, so it's gonna take some fantastic shots in daylight and night condition, and I just cannot wait to compare it with the Pixel 8 Pro and Samsung S23 Ultra. So as summing up, Pro and Pro Max / Ultra are coming with A17 Bionic chipset based on 3nm process, is powerful and power efficient, titanium curved frame which is solid and tough, Dynamic Island Type-C port to the bottom, this iconic action switch, and the Ultra variant also get a periscope camera.
This isn't just an upgrade, it's a breakthrough.
So solid devices, but it's gonna cost $100 extra than the iPhone 14 Pro Max launch price.
It's a breakthrough.
Some news from China suggests we may see new colorful Type-C to Type-C cable in the box of all the iPhone 15 series, so it's gonna look like this, and due to this braid finish the cable is gonna be more rigid and durable, so yes, this combination looks great. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.